Hi everyone. Today we are going to provide an honest review of this dual-chambered tumbling composter that we have been using for 15 months. We will also show how long it takes to compost, how to use it, how to harvest the compost from it, and how is the quality of compost made from this composter. This will help you decide if this is the right composter for you or not. We set up this composter in April 2021. We chose an above ground composter to keep critters away, and it seems to be successful at that because we have not observed any signs of critters around our composter. This composter has two chambers with slider doors that can come off completely if needed. We started filling one chamber with our kitchen scraps that are compostable, such as vegetable and fruit peels, eggshells, etc. We occasionally added shredded paper or grass clippings to it. We have kept this composter near our back door from our kitchen. This makes it very easy for us to bring our kitchen waste out to the composter, even in winter months. We did not follow any specific compost recipe, but we are very proud that we saved all of our kitchen scrap from adding to landfill by composting them for past 15 months. This is a 40 or 42 gallon composter as far as I remember, so it takes a while to fill one chamber. Once one of the chamber fills in, we stop adding to it and start filling the second chamber. Sometimes it could be elusive when a chamber feels like it has filled up, especially if you add shredded paper or grass to it. But check back 2 weeks later and it would settle down, giving you more space to add more yard waste. We turn this composter about once or twice a month. The grooves on this composter makes it very easy to turn it. Let us go ahead and harvest some compost. To harvest compost, you want to keep the slider doors closed and turn the composter such that the doors are facing all the way down. You want to keep either a tarp or a wide container like this one under the composter to collect the compost and then open the slider door. We had rain yesterday, due to which the compost is soggy, so I'm going to use this hand rake to help it out. This compost has been ready for a few months now, but I didn't need it, so I let it sit in the composter. But with fall arriving, I will harvest it to top my garden beds. On an average, the compost is ready in about 2 months after we stop filling a chamber and leave it alone to compost. In winter, it takes longer, but then we don't need compost in winter, so we just keep filling it up. We harvested about 20 gallons of compost from one chamber last fall, and here are the plants growing in the area that we filled with this compost. We are having good harvest of okra and cucuzzi from here, and the plants are very healthy. This shows that we are getting good quality compost out of the composter. As our garden is growing, just one composter may not be enough to provide compost for us, but it is definitely enough to compost all of our kitchen scraps year-round. Overall, this composter has checked all the boxes for us, and we highly recommend it. That is all we have for this video. See you all in our next video. Thanks for watching.